Hey guys, yeah, it's Nate. Another video by Freight Train 13. Today we're gonna be playing some airsoft with retard. Yeah, so hope you enjoy. That's the cameraman, Rick. Yeah, he's a whore.
Yep.
Okay, here he is. Are you ready?
My fucking hands are cold. My fucking hands are cold.
He's ready.
I'm hunting retard.
The hell? Hey, it's just me. You can't shoot me. I'm the cameraman. I'm a cameraman. You can't shoot me. Shit. He's trying to snipe the retard in the face. Ah, okay. No. Can't even reach me, dumbass. Get ready for the snipe. Oh, shit. Oh! Retard's trying to fight back.
I'm not a retard.
Yes, you are. Fucking retard. Retard's trying to reload. Oh, he's running. He's running.
Come on, retard.
Ooh.
Watch out.
Nate just ran into a tree. Picking up. What's he picking up? He's out. You out?
No, I still got ammo. I see Nathan. It already is.
That's cool.
Behind the shed.
No, he's not. Ow! Tree!
I see your mom's ass, too. It's pretty wide. Ricky, watch. He's coming around that.
No, he's not. No, he's not.
What's he doing?
He's on the brick.
Yeah, you can go to hell.
retard's trying to get his gun to work. Retard, you're gonna get sniped in the face. Where's Nate? Well, yeah, no shit. I mean, where? I'm gonna watch Eddie here. Retard. Hell. Is he at? No. Oh, he's out! Eddie, you just got hit.
Yeah, I know. Oh, my head.
Dumbass.
I'm out, girl. My tongue. What's up? Hey, hold on. What's up? Who's ready, bro? Hold on. Hold on. Okay, thanks, bro. Rick, I'm gonna trap you next.
Sure you will. What a retard. Oh, my fucking hand's cold.
Anybody got a poker?
No. He stuck up his own butt. Come on, Eddie. Fucking retard. My hands are fucking numb. Uh-oh. That's Nate. And a retard's in my shed trying to unclog his pecker. Fucking retard. Right here, dumb. What? What is it? I don't care. I don't even know what it is. It's all my grandfather's stuff.
I've got this asshole all the time.
Uh-huh. He won't give up. Fucking hands are numb.